Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on December 7th and 8th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Pearl Harbor Day of Remembrance. The National Pearl Harbor Day of Remembrance, observed annually on December 7th in the United States, is a solemn day commemorating the attack on Pearl Harbor by Imperial Japanese forces in 1941. This surprise military strike led to the United States' formal entry into World War II. The day is dedicated to honoring the memory of the more than 2,400 American servicemen and civilians who lost their lives in the attack and recognizing the resilience and resolve of the United States in the aftermath of this pivotal event. Ceremonies and memorial services are held each year at various locations, including the Pearl Harbor National Memorial in Hawaii, to pay tribute to those who perished. The day is marked by moments of silence, wreath-laying ceremonies, and various tributes to the fallen. It's a time for reflection on the sacrifices made during one of the most challenging periods in American history. The National Pearl Harbor Day of Remembrance also serves as a reminder of the impacts of war and the importance of peace and diplomacy. It encourages people to learn about and remember the events of World War II, ensuring that the lessons of history are not forgotten. This day is an opportunity for Americans to come together in remembrance and to honor the legacy of those who bravely faced the trials of war. Hanukkah. Hanukkah, also known as Hanukkah or the Festival of Lights, is an 8-day Jewish holiday commemorating the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem during the 2nd century BC, where Jews had risen against their Greek-Syrian oppressors in the Maccabean Revolt. Hanukkah is observed for 8 nights and days, starting on the 25th day of Kislev according to the Hebrew calendar, which may occur at any time from late November to late December in the Gregorian calendar. The festival is celebrated by lighting the candles of a candelabrum with 9 branches, called a menorah, or Hanukkah. Each night, one additional candle is lit by the shamash, the helper or attendant candle, until all 8 candles are lit together on the final night of the festival. Other Hanukkah festivities include playing the game of dreidel, eating oil-based foods such as latkes, potato pancakes, and sufganiyot, jelly-filled donuts, and exchanging gifts. The holiday's primary ritual, the lighting of the menorah, is a highly visible symbol of the holiday and represents the miracle of the oil that burned for 8 days in the temple. Hanukkah is a time for joy and celebration, but it also carries a deeper significance about the power of light over darkness and the struggle for religious freedom. National Cotton Candy Day. National Cotton Candy Day is celebrated in the United States on December 7th. This whimsical holiday pays homage to cotton candy, a popular sugary treat known for its fluffy, cloud-like texture. Originally called fairy floss, cotton candy was first introduced at the 1904 World's Fair and has since become a staple at fairs, circuses, and amusement parks. Cotton candy is made by heating and liquefying sugar, then spinning it out through tiny holes where it solidifies and is collected in a large bowl, typically on a paper cone. This process creates a light and airy confection that dissolves sweetly in the mouth. Available in a variety of colors and flavors, cotton candy is particularly beloved by children and often evokes nostalgic memories for adults. Celebrating National Cotton Candy Day can involve enjoying this sweet treat, sharing it with friends and family, or even exploring the art of making cotton candy at home. It's a day to indulge in a bit of childhood wonder and sweetness, celebrating a simple yet delightful confection that has been bringing joy for over a century. National Letter Writing Day. National Letter Writing Day, observed annually on December 7th in the United States, is a day dedicated to reviving the art and tradition of letter writing. In an age dominated by digital communication, this day serves as a reminder of the personal touch and thoughtful effort that goes into writing a physical letter. The day encourages people to take a step back from the fast-paced world of emails and instant messaging to compose a handwritten letter to someone special. The act of letter writing can be deeply personal and meaningful, providing a tangible connection between the writer and the recipient. Letters have historically played a vital role in personal and professional communication, carrying sentiments, news, and thoughts across distances. National Letter Writing Day is an opportunity for individuals to express their feelings, share stories, or simply stay connected with friends and family in a more intimate and reflective manner. On this day, people are encouraged to pick up a pen and paper and write letters to loved ones, friends, pen pals, or even to themselves. Schools, libraries, and community centers might organize letter writing workshops or events to celebrate the occasion. This celebration of the written word highlights the enduring value and charm of a personalized letter in a digital world. Pretend to be a Time Traveler Day. Pretend to be a Time Traveler Day, celebrated on December 8th, is a whimsical, unofficial holiday that encourages people to let their imaginations run wild by pretending to be time travelers for a day. This playful concept offers a chance for participants to immerse themselves in different eras, either past or future, through dress, behavior, and language. Participants often choose to dress up in costumes that represent different time periods, such as Victorian attire, futuristic outfits, or clothes from a specific decade like the 1920s or 1960s. The idea is to act as if they are visiting from another time, expressing confusion or amazement at modern technologies and societal norms. This can involve pretending not to understand contemporary gadgets, using outdated language, or expressing wonder at modern conveniences. Pretend to be a Time Traveler Day is an opportunity for creative expression and fun. It can be celebrated in various ways, from individual participation to organized events or gatherings. People might post photos or videos on social media, organize themed parties, or even engage in impromptu performances in public spaces. This day is about stepping out of the ordinary, embracing a sense of adventure and humor, and perhaps even reflecting on the changes in society and technology over time. National Brownie Day. National Brownie Day is celebrated in the United States on December 8th. This day is dedicated to one of America's favorite baked treats, the brownie. Known for its rich, chocolatey goodness, the brownie is a classic dessert that comes in various forms, from fudgy and dense to cake-like and light. The origins of the brownie are somewhat unclear, but it's widely believed to have been created in the United States at the end of the 19th century. Since then, brownies have become a staple in American baking and are enjoyed in many different ways, with nuts, flavored with mint or caramel, topped with frosting, or even as the base for Sunday desserts. Celebrating National Brownie Day can involve baking brownies at home, enjoying brownies from a favorite bakery, or even experimenting with new recipes. It's a day for chocolate lovers and baking enthusiasts to indulge in this beloved treat and share it with friends, family, or colleagues. Whether served as a warm dessert with ice cream or enjoyed as a snack, brownies are a delightful treat that brings joy to many. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.